Hey guys, this is 8K. Today I'm showing you how to solve the vibration or shaking of your steering, and this is in a slow motion, so just see now. So can you see this is a vibrating, continue vibrating of a steering. Let's see how to do this. First put your safety gloves on, make sure your safety is okay, and put the axle check, trolley jack on a correct point. Make sure in your car correct point, don't damage your body. Just check the car up and put the axle stand on for safety. And this is two tool I'm gonna use. Open the tire wheel nuts. So you're opening this, you see this is a bad condition of my tire. Just open it. Okay, just remove the tire. Okay, let's remove, and look, this is the inside. So first you need to see that the disc is okay. Just move up and down and see the joint. This is the track rod end is okay, and from inside the boot is okay, is not damaged, and it can cause the vibration as well. The suspension is okay, not broken anything, and the CV joint is okay. It can cause a problem of vibration or shaking. And check your disc, just touch it and slide, and it don't have any scratch, stump, anything like that. It can be problem of shaking. And you can see these are brake pads, so just move, everything is fine. Make sure again, so I can see everything is fine. So no damage here. The suspension is okay, the bottom suspension, so just check everything. Yeah, this is the inside. You see CV joint is fine, and track rod is fine, everything fine. And make sure guys, if these things is fine, then the problem should be your steering track. The track steering should be bad, and check it and change it. This can be problem. Bottom sand. So this is the damage of my wheel. You can see in your tire wheel the damage. Do you see that? This is a bad condition. This is a bad condition. And check your tire with a sliding hand, and see the tire is bad condition. So it's almost finished. So look, this is a very deep scratches inside. So the tire dip should be 1.6 millimeter. So this is almost finished. See that? This can big cause of steering shaking or vibrating. See, this is bad condition. See, there's no, even the line are disappeared. So make sure 1.6 millimeter. So I have to change it in a garage. So first you can see how to change the wheel as well. This is a proper machine, so you can't do in a home. So I suggest just to show you. See that? Clean properly the wheel, or tell the mechanic clean it. So clean, you can see the bad condition, and see, this is a bad condition of wheel. So I just changed it. See, it's very nice. So just check again. There's a no dump, nothing scratch or bad damage. Okay, so I see everything is fine. Put the wheel back on. So put the nut back on. Make sure do the same procedure with the both side. So I just done the one that I can show you the procedure. That won't be long, it's still like video. It won't bore you. So just tight it again. Same procedure with the both tires. Okay, getting it quicker. Yeah, so okay, make sure when the front one is shaking, when you change the tire, put the spare tire to the back one and the back tire to the front one. So now you can see there is no shaking anymore. So I'm just driving. Let me put straight on. Look, you can't see shake anymore. So it's a proper fine. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure guys subscribe my channel, put the bell icon and give me thumbs up if you like the video. If you have any question, you can comment on me, I'll answer you, and share the video with your friends. And thank you.